Hello, how are you guys? Hope you are exploring, learning, and building lots of things. So, here I think I am working on solving different kinds of problem, but majorly I was working with AI, and we think that AI is whether uh, helping us or not. Means I just want to share one experience where I felt that I could have done it much better than the AI really quick. So there was a huge chunk of data which I had approx, let's say 200, 300 pages, lots of data, lots of documentation. I thought, and I had to create one finalized booklet of from that entire data. I started. It's a kind of book that combine all the data, create a book where there is a proper index, there is a proper what do you would say appendix. Proposals in our college we used to do this. What we call it, this one. They forget about that. This projects we used to do the final year project, and that there was one submissions which project reports. Yeah, we used to call it as the project reports. No, so these project reports were there, and similar to that, imagine there is lots of information I have to create. I was like, I have AI. I will do it really quick. Not an issue. So things will be aligned. I spent approximately I spent what 8 to 10 hours to generate that one 200-page book. And I thought if I could have copy pasted that data, it could have done in 4 to 5 hours. Now the question is not that whether I was able to do it fast, I was able to do it slow. The question is in which scenarios these AI tools work better, in which scenarios these AI tools hallucinate, and if this kind of scenario happen, how exactly we have to figure out the solution so that we do not get into this chunk of hallucination or whatever we call. So, if you talk about recent experience, what I felt that I did wrong in terms of approaching this entire process, one was majorly in terms of understanding how this entire work was given to the AI. Now, I was giving a work as an individual, ki, hey, this is my work, go do it. Imagine an intern who just joined and you are telling, hey, this is 200-page documents. Each document is a different page. Go and create project report from that entire documents, and you have to create index, page numbers, all this appendix, everything is there that you create. Definitely that intern won't be able to do with the precision that and fast, because what I'm telling is the pagination, the documentation, the small nuances that in turn won't be understanding. There will be multiple iterations which will happen, and maybe in 5 to 10 iterations, this entire thing will be completed. So that would be the major problem which will happen if you'll give just a problem to the intern. Imagine that entire problem is being categorized. You documented that problem. Okay, fine. This chunk of the report will do it in one bucket. This chunk of the report will do it in one bucket. This chunk of the report will do it in one bucket. And in each bucket, there will be approx what, somewhere 20, 30 reports which will be there. And you give it across the entire thing and just finish it off. So that is something which is given, and it's like finished. Nothing else is there, and nothing else we have to give it to anyone. So that intern will be like, okay, fine. I am taking that one bucket, doing the task, finishing it. I'm taking that second bucket, doing the task, finishing it. I'm taking the third bucket, doing the task, finishing it. Once all my buckets are finalized, I'll do it. I'll merge all the buckets and finalize it. That's exactly how we have to think and work with an AI also. That's the entire mistake which I did. That's why I spent approx 10 hours to finish that one report, because it was like I was telling AI, this is the data, you finish it. No, then again, I was telling, hey, this is the mistake, now you fixed it. Now, to fix that mistake, the AI was taking approx 35 minutes to go into each file, checking it, and definitely there was a hallucination which was happening. I told this guy to do fix the pagination. Now, pagination never got fixed. So, I sat at the end, I was like, instead of giving to AI, let me fix the pagination, it will get done right. So all these things, I think, happen when we go with AI. Now the question which arises here is how to work with AI. AI is a tool or any tool which you are using, and if you want AI to work as an assistant, that is there. The learning is very simple. That think that it is an assistant. It it can do the role of planning if you tell that guy to plan properly. So instead of giving the task, tell that, okay, fine, now you are a project manager, do the planning. Now, after doing the planning, you are a assistant or a task executor who will execute the task one by one. So the more we are able to wear different hats and play with AI, the more we'll be able to use AI better without the hallucination. That is the major learning which I had. And we have to structure things much better when we are using AI, and when there is a huge chunk of task which is there, and we have to finish that huge chunk of task because it feels like we won't be able to finish it if we'll give entire thing in one bucket. That's a very difficult thing which we have, and I got it today after this entire journey of doing it in this much huge time. I was like, oh my god, I spent lots of amount of time. I could have spent this time in a productive way if I could have planned better. So even in project manager, if you're not planned better, the things will be broken. And while working with an AI, if you're not a good project manager and think that AI is an assistant, then also it will hallucinate in a different way. And also, you are if you are not a project manager, ask AI to play the role of project manager, break down the task and do the task. And always try to do task in batches or bulk, because if we'll not do that, it would create huge amount of trouble. And also one important learning which I had today was documenting the making sure whatever you finalize, AI stores somewhere. Means you tell that, okay, this is something which was being finalized, go and store, this is my version 1, you store it, or version 1.1, you store it. Again, you can retry with version 1.1, version 1.2. If the storage is not happening, what will happen, your finalized version is getting lost, and again it will hallucinate and do lots of things. So to use AI better, one thing which is very important for us to understand, we have to be a project manager and think AI is an assistant. If you don't know how to be a project manager, ask AI to play the role of project manager, break down the task, and then do it. So this was my learning today, and I learned, means while executing this big chunk of task, I learned a lot. And I think the developers who are doing the coding and everything, and if you have a huge code base, the same thing happens. That's why we are like, Arey, yaar, to do that one simple change, no, the AI will do lots of things. So that's why your project architecture is very important. If you do not have that right folder structure, no, it will be very difficult for us to understand. But I think the problem which I was solving was not in terms of folder structure, was consolidating all the structure in one document. That is something which I was solving. So there is a different way or approach that can be taken to it. I have to understand that how it can happen in a better way. So have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your day. I too had lots and lots of learning in terms of understanding AI as a assistant and how this can work. And if you have lots of work, definitely you will hire five assistants. So awake five assistants at once when you are using an AI. Have a great day. Keep exploring, learning, and building with AI tools, business, management system, anything.